Alright, so I am here in VRL Logistics, you can see. And currently I am here to get my bike parcel from Bangalore to Jaipur. Here is the bike. So hello viewers, I own Ninja 300 and I was really struggling to transfer my bike from Bangalore to Jaipur. And yes, finally I came across this option, VRL Logistics, and trust me guys, they are very good. इसमें निकाल लेना. So अभी जा रहे हैं हम पेट्रोल निकालने के लिए. काफ़ी पेट्रोल निकला है. Yes guys, let me share this information with you. You have to carry at least one bottle or some can with you so that आप अपना पेट्रोल उसमें भर के वापस लेके आ सकें. Otherwise they will store it for their own and they will use it by their own. Yes, so packing start हो गई है. This is the guy who did the packing for me. He is very expert guys, trust me, he was really doing it very well. आप लोग उसको देखोगे आगे वीडियो में how he is packing and उसके बाद आपको really realize होगा कि it's worth sending bike from VRL to any location in India. They use carton for your seat, for your tank, for your visor. With this, your bike gets very good protection from scratches. You can ask the person anytime. He will stop for you and then you can ask him that if you feel कहीं से भी कुछ भी छूट गया हो, then he will listen to you also and they will behave properly. They will not deny for anything. If you feel something is missing, कोई part bike का छूट गया है जहाँ पे you feel कि scratches आने के chances हैं, then you can ask the person. He will definitely listen to you. So finally मेरी बाइक पैक हो गई and then I'm giving you a walk around. आप देख सकते हैं how they have actually packed my bike. So I don't see there is a chance to get the scratch as well. From the bottom also they have covered it very well. Even जो उसके mudguards थे they have covered it very well. You can clearly see and you can trust on me. I am giving you my recommendation. You can definitely go ahead with this option if you are really looking forward to move your bike from one city to another city via VRL. Yes, definitely I would recommend
है
that.
जिसमें मेरा बाइक निकालने के लिए सोच रहे हैं। ये लोग सब हैं, ये लोग अनलोड करके
अभी कहाँ
उसके बाद निकाल देंगे। हाँ,
बाइक को किधर डालना?
ये जाएगा राजस्थान में जयपुर।
जयपुर।
बहुत सारी ट्रक्स खड़े हैं लाइन से, अलग अलग जगह से आए हुए हैं। आई थिंक ये मैसूर से आया ना, मैंगलोर से ये मैंगलोर से आया है। और ये वाला जो है किसी की बाइक आई हुई है इसके अंदर। तो जब ये बाइक अनलोड हो जाएगा फिर इसके अंदर अपने वाले को भेज देंगे। और अभी फ़िलहाल अपना बाइक खड़ा है वहाँ पे, उस वाले सेक्शन पे। तो वहाँ से जब अनलोड करके फिर उसमें डाल देंगे। काफ़ी माल आता है, देखो ये लोग सब वर्कर लोग हैं, ये लोग सब यहाँ पे इस पे काम करते हैं। ये बाइक है जो अभी लोड होके आई है। लुक्स लाइक ये एक्टिवा है, इसके टायर से पता चल रहा है, छोटे छोटे टायर हैं। और शेक तो ये हुई है, जैसे कि वहाँ पे देखो टच हुई है, वहाँ से वहाँ पर भी टच हुई हो। मैं इसको कोशिश ये करना पड़ेगा कि जो बाइक अपनी है उसको दोनों साइड से बांध दे ताकि ये शेक ना करे। यहाँ पे अंदर की साइड में कहीं पे तो ये टच होते हुए आया। एक केज इधर भी रखा है, इसको भी देख लेते हैं कैसा है। अगर ये अच्छा हुआ तो इसमें डाल देंगे। इसका भी ये टच होते हुए ही आया।
Yeah, so these two containers that you saw, these pallets basically came from different city. I don't remember the city name exactly, but you also noticed that these two were not properly packed and they were not properly tied up inside the pallet. That's the reason they were shaking. And I initially had very tough time searching for pallet also because कोई pallet वहाँ पे available नहीं था. Then thanks to Mr. Shankar, who is really taking care of the customers very well. On his request, I demanded and they were ready to arrange a new pallet which you just saw, and they immediately make that available. But you might face sometimes some challenge, so make sure you confirm with them whether you have the pallet, then only you ask them. And now you can see they have actually started with loading my bike inside the pallet. And yeah, you see and enjoy how they are really tying it up into the pallet so that it doesn't shake. Don't compare with the previous two pallets because looks like whoever was the customer, they did not really bother about taking care of him. So आप वहाँ पे रुकिए, आराम से उसके पैलेट को चेक कीजिए एंड देन आप अपने सामने उसको टाई करके आइए एंड चेक देम एज वेल कि वो टाइट है कि नहीं. एंड देन वंस यू आर सेटिस्फाइड देन ओनली यू शुड allow your bike to be transferred. Yeah. So first they tie your tires of your bike, and after that they have a very good quality belt जिससे वो पूरी बाइक को बहुत अच्छे से टाई करते हैं. As you are seeing it right now, they have a very good mechanism जिससे ये बहुत अच्छे से टाइट हो जाता है, and after this your bike doesn't shake. and then they tie up your handlebars. Finally, I was a little worried in the initial time, will they really gonna cover this? But at least finally उन्होंने at least cage में डालने के बाद they have tied it up very well. After this, I totally got satisfied. Yes, now my bike is safe. And yes, worth sending it from Bangalore to Jaipur. I had extra rope with me. Yes, I can also recommend this to you. आप भी इसको जाके ऐसा टाई अप कर सकते हो to give it an extra protection. क्योंकि anyway belt is there which is very good. But अगर आपको डबल श्योर होना है, if you really want to be डबल श्योर कि आपकी बाइक बिल्कुल भी ना शेक करे, then you can tie this up from both sides which will stop your bike to move from left to right and right to left. And also same rope से आप इसको tie कर सकते हैं from the top as well, so that just in case if there are jerks or something, अगर आपका बाइक उछलता है, in that case अगर आप उसको ऊपर से बांध के रखोगे then it will never shake. So this is a double protection and extra protection. Yes, one can ignore this, but I definitely recommend to do this because your bike is your personal bike, and then you don't want to give it in any extra scratch or any kind of damage you want to bear. So मैं आपको definitely recommend करूँगा, you can go ahead with that. But yes, definitely it is not recommended, mandatory, and you should do it. But yeah, it's always good to be double sure. And finally बाइक को बांध लेने के बाद they do the tagging on it, जिससे you understand where is this bike going to be delivered. And yes, उसके बाद आप उसको एक्स्ट्रा लॉक भी डाल सकते हो. I also did it so that you're also sure कि कोई इसको ओपन ना करे during your absence. And जब आप बाइक को रिसीव करो, that time you also have the lock and you open it by yourself. Finally, it's all done and bike is ready to be shipped and time to say bye. I will do another video once I receive my bike. Do check the next video how I received my bike and in what condition.
ठीक है, फाइनल टाटा, सी यू इन जयपुर, बाय बाय.